Then let us start probability density function. Probability density function. Probability density function. How we can write probability density function? That is integral minus infinity to infinity f of x equal to 1. We can write like this. And here is mostly you should remember many formulas. Okay. So here probability of a less than x less than b can be written as integral a to b f of x dx. Okay. Then mean can be written as e of x can be written as summation x into p of x, that will be designated as mu also sometimes. And always remember sum of probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of all probabilities will be 1, and mean if you want to find out, just multiply that particular term with the probability, then you will get mean. Okay, variance if you want to find, v of x is equal to e into x square minus ex whole square. No need to worry with these formulas. While solving problems you will remember all these formulas. Along with that you should remember certain properties. What are those properties? Okay, mean of ax plus ax1 plus b can be written as a into mean of x1 plus b. Okay, then also you should remember variance of ax1 plus b can be written as a square variance of x1. Then mean of ax1 plus bx2 can be written as a into mean of x1 plus b into mean of x2. Then variance of ax1 plus bx2 can be written as a square variance of x1 plus b square variance of x2 plus 2 into ab into covariance of x1 and x2. Covariance of x1 and x2. These are some properties. Do remember them. Let us solve some problems in order to get idea. So what is the problem number 20? Consider the following probability mass function. Random variable is x. Okay. So what they are asking, if q is equal to 0.4, then the variance of x they are asking. So what is variance of x as formula? First write x and p of x. Okay. If x is 0, p of x is how much? If x is 0, p of x is q. If x is 0, p of x is q. If x is 1, p of x is 1 minus q. 0 otherwise. Okay, whatever it might be. We have formulated the table. Then what they are saying, if q is 0.4, substitute q equal to 0.4 in the table. X 0 1 p of x, q as 0.4, 1 minus q is 0.6. Okay, then variance they are asking. Variance is nothing but, what is the formula I was saying? E into x square minus e of x into whole square. So e into x square means, how you have to do is, e into x square, how you have to do is, first do square of x. Do square of this x. 0 square into 0.4 plus 1 square into 0.6. Suppose if you have one more term like 2 0.3, then plus 2 square into 0.3, that is what is ex square, minus ex means simple 0 into 0.4 plus 1 into 1.06, 1.6 whole square. That is the thing you have to do. Very simple, right? 0.6 minus 0.36. I will get 0.24. So you have to substitute 0.24 in the given problem. Then problem number 21. Directly you can tell they have given table directly. If following table is discrete random variable, the standard deviation they are asking. Standard deviation is what? Root over variance. Standard deviation is root over variance. Is it? Yes. That is root over variance. First find variance. Variance is equal to, I can write ex square minus ex whole square. As you know what is ex square? 1 square into 0.3 plus 2 square into 0.6 plus 3 square into 0.1 minus mean of x whole square. That is what? 1 into 0.3 plus 2 into 0.6 plus 3 into 0.1 whole square. So what we will get variance as 0.6 minus 0.36, that is 0.24. 0.36 I am getting, sorry, this is variance. If you solve, I am getting it as 0.36, but they are asking standard deviation. If you tick 0.36, then minus, negative marking. Why? Because you have done up to variance only, but they are asking standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to root over variance. Root over 0.36, that is root over that is 0.6. Option D is correct answer for the given problem. Then problem number 22. A machine produces 0, 1, 2 defective pieces in one day, associated with probability for 0 1 by 6, for 1 2 by 3, for 2 1 by 6. So what is probability associated? 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 6. Then the mean value and variance. They are asking mean and variance. Mean is easy. How will you find mean? Mean is equal to E of x is equal to what? X into P of x. I have said formula already. X into P of x is 0 into 1 by 6 plus summation of x into P of x. So 1 into 2 by 3 plus 2 into 1 by 6. So total E of x I am getting it as 1. Then variance also, find out variance. Variance is Ex square minus E of x whole square. So Ex square is how much? Ex square is 0 square into 1 by 6, 0, 1 square into 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 square into 1 by 6, 4 by 6 total is minus E of x already I have calculated 1 square. So upon solving, mean is how much? 1. Mean is 1 means I can eliminate 2 options. Then you left with finding variance. Find variance also. So I am getting it as 1 by 3. So option A is the correct answer for the given problem. Okay, then 23rd question. Before solving 23rd question, remember one formula I forgot to tell. Coefficient of variation of speed. Coefficient of variation of speed can be given as, variation of speed formula is variance by mean. It can be given as variance by mean. So coefficient of variation can be given as variance by mean. So for this problem, variance by mean. So for this problem, what you will get? Coefficient of variation of speed is, that is what, square root of variance by mean. That means what? Standard deviation by mean. Okay, standard deviation by mean. If standard deviation of the spot speed of vehicle in highway is 8.8, standard deviation they have given as 8.8, then mean speed of vehicle is 33, that is mu equal to 33. Then find coefficient of variation in speed. So standard deviation by mu or root over variance. If they give variance, root over variance. So 8.8 by 33. So I am getting it as 0.266. I was calculating, so I have got 0.266. Thank you.